With Paldi Report Manager, you can customize PDF report attachments to fit your specific needs. To start, select the PDF option under Attachment Settings. Define the PDF size and orientation, and choose the information you want to include. In this example, we'll only keep the filter selection option. You can also design your PDF as an appended file, segmented by dimensions from your dashboard. Here, we'll export a PDF for the values new and used. Finally, you have the option to upload the PDF to an S3 bucket and assign it a custom name. Let's take a look at the generated PDF. First, we see the results for new, followed by the results for used, all combined in a single PDF file. In case of large pivot tables, the exported PDF will present all results seamlessly appended.